Welcome to e-hallpass. This video is for students and will show them what will happen in the system if they select a teacher that has an active out-of-office set within the e-hallpass system. Administrators, staff, and teachers have the ability to set an out-of-office for themselves if they are not available to accept students for a given amount of time. Here is what this feature will look like from a student's perspective. For this example, I'm logged in as a student and will create a pass. So, I will choose the teacher I'm leaving from. When I choose a destination teacher that has an active out-of-office, a red message created by the teacher on the out-of-office will appear. If I, as the student, proceed and put in the reason for the pass and then click Create Pass, I'm blocked from doing so. Whoever has made the out-of-office can either choose to have a default message appear, or they can put in a custom message. So, as the student, please follow any directions you are given in the out-of-office message. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.